The House of Representatives has called for the re-gazetting of four major tax laws scheduled to take effect on January 1st, 2026, amid concerns over discrepancies in legislative documentation process. The House spokesman Akin Rotimi Jr. disclosed this in a statement issued to newsmen in the early hours of Friday. According to Rotimi, recent public commentary has raised questions about the harmonization of bills passed by the Senate and the House of Representatives, the document transmitted for presidential assent, and the versions of the acts later published in the official Gazette of the federal government. The acts in question include the Nigerian Tax Act 2025, the Nigeria Tax Administration Act 2025, the Joint Revenue Board of Nigerian Establishment Act 2025, and the Nigerian Revenue Service Establishment Act 2025. Rotimi said the House wishes to assure Nigerians that the matter is being addressed strictly within the constitutional and statutory authority of the National Assembly. He revealed that a 7-member ADHOC committee was constituted last week following a point of order raised by a lawmaker to conduct a comprehensive institutional review of the circumstances surrounding the handling of the tax laws. The committee, working alongside relevant committees of the National Assembly and its management, is examining the sequence of events, identifying any administrative lapses, irregularities, or external interference in line with constitutional provisions and parliamentary practice. As part of the process, the leadership of the National Assembly, under Senate President Godswill Akpabio and Speaker of the House of Representatives Habaz Tajuddin, has directed the clerk to the National Assembly to re-gazette the act and issue certified through copies of the versions duly passed by both chambers. The House explained that the step is purely administrative, aimed at ensuring clarity, accuracy, and integrity of the legislative record, and does not imply any defects in the exercise of legislative authority. Rotimi emphasized that the review does not prejudice the powers of any arm of government, nor does it affect existing legal rights or obligations under the Constitution. He added that the House remains committed to constitutionalism, due process, separation of powers, and the rule of law, urging members of the public to allow institutional processes to proceed without speculation. The House assured Nigerians that the further information would be provided as necessary. This is Flip TV.